I already told you that. Well, I'm going to start again. I probably already just said it's about 10 past 6. Kids are getting cold, so we're going to have to go home. I put some plastic up to shield us in, keep us warm for a little while. It's already collecting snow, so it's not the best job, but this belly right here doesn't look very good, but oh well.
It's got a pot belly.
Engines is covered. I didn't get done exactly everything I wanted. I didn't get done the roof. I actually expanded the addition, but so I didn't get the roof done, but I made the addition bigger. So I didn't really fail. I didn't exactly accomplish what I wanted, but I didn't fail. I just made something grow.
Want some cookies? I'm a little granny.
Nice fire. I'm gonna take you on a little walk. Ah, fuck. Excuse my language. Trying to climb out of a hole there. Not drop my phone. Well, I don't know how well you can see because it's pretty dark, but I expanded the addition here. There's the bench down there still, the fireplace. Now the addition's going to go all the way out to that beam. I'm down by the bench now, so it's going to go all the way out there. This thing's going to be just as big as the main fort almost. Here's another view from up here. That other view is from down on the bench. This is from the entrance. Those are my weirdo kids over there. Making all that noise. I don't know what the hell they're trying to do. It sounds like they're fucking doing something crazy. I think they're trying to scare each other. Too bad I'm not as ugly as you then. Because my entrance is covered. You can see that light you see inside the plastic is actually the fire.
Wow, no.
Wow, no doubt.
The big mulch you hear is the kids inside, like I said. I'm taking a little walk in the woods. It's snowing now, as you can see. First real snowstorm of winter, 2019. This is what's left of. I took some of the plastic, but everything else is still here for the shelter I made in 3 hours. I took the plastic to keep us warm and cover the floor. Rake here to rake things around, you know, keep it neat. Alright, I'm gonna go back up to the main now, but I'm gonna take the rake with me actually. Okay, I'm gonna walk back up to the main fort and join the kids. And like I said, when the fire goes out, we go home. Because you cannot leave a fire going in the woods by itself. Especially, it's very dangerous. It'll burn this place down. And I don't... Ah, it's a monster!
Oh wow, we actually finally got one thing right in the front for one. Hold him to the monster. What?
Okay, I'm back in the main. Cody's alive again.
I was never dead.
I will be in a minute.
Alright, that's all folks. Have a nice night.
Hey, look at